Okay, just done a sunrise time lapse. Gonna head up to the entrance on the north side of the bridge for a drone meetup. We're gonna all have a breakfast to fly, and then we're off to Erina for a DJI introduction into some new products. We're all soaked. We're out up and down the beach, I don't know, all a few hundred meters away, all in different directions. We were trying to active track each other. So we had Mao's Phantom, and then we had the other three drones all in a line, and we were trying to active track off each other. So hypothetically, Mao could fly around, and in theory, he should lead us all around like walking four dogs all in a row. Pretty cool. Didn't work. It did for a few seconds, but then it just went all crazy, and yeah, it looked pretty wild though. And then we went out to do some solo shoots around the place, and then this mad storm just rolled in from out. Jack got some mad shots. Just came down off the ocean and just dumped everything on us. We all landed safely, which is cool. So off to Erina, and time to do a DJI seminar. Riveting! Nah, it will be pretty sick for us. Anyway, keep tuned. Love yous all. Free hugs. Woo!